Okay, so here it is, November 3rd, 2017, unboxing my iPhone 10, and I'm delighted because I was given an estimated delivery date of the 7th of November, but it arrived today. So here we go. Looks like fairly standard Apple iPhone packaging. So let's get started and open it up. So cellophane gone, and I'll open up the box. So it's, yeah, the usual packaging we've come to expect, and on the top of it here we have the package with all the various papers. I'm not going to bother opening that, we all know what's in there. It includes the thing to open the SIM tray, but also all the bits and pieces they give us. And here is the main event itself, the phone. And I'm going to take the cellophane off that. And that is it. It is so cool. Look how nice that is. Oh, I can't believe I actually have this. This is the silver model, by the way, 64 gig. Silver and white model, so totally black on the front. Pretty much. Bit of silver around the sides and that shiny kind of back. Got the dual camera there on the back. So I'll just describe this, and for as best description I can give, especially for those who need it. So the front, it's an iPhone 10, so there's no home button. It's just all screen on the front of the phone, which is kind of mad. It's yeah, that's really cool. So then on the bottom we've got the usual, got the lightning port in the middle and the speaker grill and so on along the bottom. Along the left side we have our volume down, volume up, and our mute switch still there as we had before. On the top, nothing at all, and on the left hand side we've got that, what they now call the side button, the old the power sleep wake button, and the SIM tray, it seems, as well is there. And the button is a little bit bigger than it was on previous models. So yeah, there's the back again if you can see it. So it's kind of white / silver, quite shiny, and a big camera module in the top left as I look at it from the back. The Apple logo is, you can't actually feel the Apple logo anymore. It's kind of behind the glass, which is interesting. So you can't feel the kind of indent that you could on previous models. And there's the front again. I will have a look now how it compares to the iPhone 7. So I had a iPhone 7 4.7 inch, so this is a 5.8 inch screen, so bear that in mind. So 4.7 inch screen versus a 5.8 inch screen, and yet the actual devices are side by side. It's only a tiny bit bigger. Look, I stacked them. It is all of maybe half a centimetre taller and maybe half a centimetre wider, and a so much bigger screen. That's really, really interesting. It's really cool. So I have basically the same size phone with a much bigger screen now, which I really like. And that is the phone. And then what else we have in the box? We have the plug adapter, USB to lightning cable, and we have a pair of earpods as well. So that's our adapter. And of course we have the dongle there as well for that's the lightning cable, and the dongle is there as well for your earphones as well. So all the usual stuff that would have been in the iPhone 7 and previous as well. That's in the box. But the main event obviously is the phone itself, and this is it. I'm going to have to get used to taking this out of my pocket the right way around, because there's no home button or much tactile to go on really, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. And yeah, that's it. The iPhone X or iPhone 10, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching.